Did you know that there have been over 50,000 near collisions involving Starlink satellites? Yeah, you heard that right. That's a staggering number that raises some serious questions about our future in space. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Starlink, Elon Musk's ambitious satellite internet project. Starlink has been rapidly expanding, launching thousands of satellites into orbit to provide high-speed internet access to even the most remote corners of the globe. But with this incredible advancement comes a whole new set of challenges and potential dangers. As we explore the implications of this satellite revolution, we'll uncover how it might impact humanity's activities in space and what it means for our future. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Alright, let's talk about the elephant in the room: the risks associated with the increasing number of satellites in low Earth orbit. With Starlink planning to deploy tens of thousands of satellites, we're looking at a crowded space environment. And that's not just a minor inconvenience. The more satellites we have up there, the higher the risk of collisions. Imagine two satellites colliding at high speeds. The debris created could potentially damage other satellites, or even the International Space Station. We've already seen some near misses involving Starlink satellites and other spacecraft. Each of these near collisions serves as a wake-up call, reminding us that space isn't just a vast void, it's becoming increasingly congested. Plus, there's the issue of space debris. It's estimated that there are millions of tiny pieces of debris orbiting our planet, remnants of old satellites, spent rocket stages, and collision fragments. These bits of junk can travel at speeds of up to 17,500 miles per hour, and they pose a significant threat to active satellites and future missions. As we ramp up our satellite launches, we need to seriously consider how to manage this growing problem. Otherwise, we risk turning our orbital environment into a dangerous minefield, making space exploration more challenging and expensive. So what are we doing about it? Let's dive deeper. Now, looking ahead, the implications of these near collisions are vast. If we don't find a way to manage space traffic effectively, we could face severe obstacles to future space exploration. The International Space Station relies on precise tracking of satellites to avoid collisions, and if the environment becomes too chaotic, it could jeopardize human life up there. Plus, think about all the exciting missions we have planned: Mars exploration, lunar bases, and beyond. If we can't ensure safe passage for our spacecraft, those dreams could be at risk. Satellite operators are already feeling the pressure to develop better tracking systems and collision avoidance technologies. Companies are working on advanced algorithms to predict satellite trajectories and potential collision courses. Some are even considering using propulsion systems to maneuver satellites out of harm's way. But here's the kicker: all these solutions require collaboration among countries and private entities. Imagine a world where every satellite operator is sharing data and working together to keep the skies safe. It sounds great, but in reality, that's a challenging task. Different countries have different regulations, and not all satellite operators are willing to collaborate. So, while we have technology at our fingertips, the human element of cooperation is what we really need to tackle this issue. And let's not forget about the environmental impact of satellite launches and space debris cleanup. As we continue to launch more satellites, we need to think about how to minimize our footprint in space. Innovations like deorbiting systems, which help satellites safely re-enter the Earth's atmosphere at the end of their life, are crucial to maintaining a sustainable space environment. The future of humanity's activities in space hangs in the balance, and we have to take these challenges seriously. So what can we do to ensure a brighter, safer future up there? Now let's get to the exciting part: the promising developments in space traffic management. Scientists and engineers are hard at work developing technologies that could revolutionize how we navigate space. One of the most intriguing solutions is autonomous collision avoidance systems. These systems use artificial intelligence to monitor satellite movements and make real-time decisions on how to avoid potential collisions. Imagine a satellite that can think for itself, adjusting its orbit to dodge another satellite without human intervention. It sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming a reality. Companies like Leo Labs are creating ground-based radar systems that track satellite movements and predict potential collisions, providing operators with valuable data to make informed decisions. Moreover, international organizations like the United Nations are pushing for global standards in space traffic management. The idea is to create a framework that ensures all operators follow best practices for satellite launches and debris mitigation. This collaboration could pave the way for a safer space environment where exploration can thrive. But here's the catch: we need to act fast. With so many satellites planned for the coming years, the window to implement these solutions is closing. The longer we wait, the harder it will be to manage the increasing congestion in space. So, as we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, let's not forget that it's up to all of us, governments, private companies, and the global community, to work together and tackle these challenges head-on. To wrap things up, we've explored the incredible world of Starlink and the challenges that come with its rapid expansion. With over 50,000 near collisions already reported, the risks posed by an overcrowded orbit are real and pressing. We've seen how collisions and space debris could hinder future space exploration and the importance of developing effective space traffic management systems. It's clear that as we push the boundaries of our capabilities in space, we must also prioritize safety and sustainability. Innovations in technology and international cooperation will play a crucial role in navigating this new frontier. If we can address these challenges, the future of humanity's activities in space could be brighter than ever. So, what do you think? Are we ready for a future filled with satellites, or do you have concerns about the potential risks? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into space exploration advancements, check out my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the wonders of our universe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.